Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Trend TV. This is Viprajesh. Tata Motors has launched the new gold editions of their flagship Tata Safari SUV. The Tata Safari is Tata Motors' most prestigious model, which was launched earlier this year. This latest Tata Safari is essentially an extended 7-seat version of the Tata Harrier, while both are based on the Omega Arc platform, derived from the Land Rover Discovery D8 platform. The Tata Safari Gold Edition is available in two different colors, the first one being a frost white body color with a contrast black roof, while the second color option is a coffee bean inspired black with a slight brownish tinge. As a part of the Gold Edition, this package will include gold badging on the front fenders, along with gold finish on the front grille, the fog lamp enclosures, door handles, roof rails and the rear badging. While the standard Tata Safari top spec variants get 18-inch dual-tone machine-cut alloy wheels, the Gold Edition package gets charcoal black 18-inch alloy wheels. On the inside too, the Gold Editions add some specific changes, including white marble or black marble finish on the dashboard center panel, along with gold highlights around the AC vents, the lower part of the dashboard and the door handles. The oyster white leather seats now also get gold branding embroidered into the headrests. That said, apart from these cosmetic changes for the Gold Edition, Tata Motors have also added new features exclusively on the Gold Editions. The first one being ventilated seats. While rivals such as the Hyundai Alcazar or the MG Hector offer only front ventilated seats, the Tata Safari Gold Edition now offers ventilated seats even for the second row passengers. While the quilted oyster white leather seats are exactly the same as before, the ventilation function has been integrated into the seats with 3 levels of cooling. The controls for this function are integrated into every seat base. The second feature addition is wireless charging facility at the bottom of the center console, right under the automatic climate control. The Safari Gold Edition now also offers an air purifier integrated into the automatic climate control. The fourth significant feature addition is wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity. Apart from these feature additions, all the other features remain exactly the same, including automatic headlamps, automatic wipers, auto-dimming IRVM, power adjustable driver seat, a semi-digital instrument cluster with tri-pressure monitoring system, the 8.8-inch touchscreen system with 9 JBL speakers, voice command functionalities, and the IRA Connect connected car features. Safety features include 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, all-wheel disc brakes, ESP traction control with hill hold, hill descent control, smart key access with push-button start, and a reverse parking camera. The Safari Gold Edition is available only on the top-spec variants, which also get an electronic parking brake, multiple terrain response modes, multiple engine drive modes, and a massive panoramic sunroof. While for now these additional features are available only on the Gold Editions, they are soon expected to be offered on the standard XZ Plus and XZ A Plus variants of the Tata Safari. And some of these features could also be introduced on the Tata Harrier as well. Launched as new flagship variants of the Tata Safari range, the Safari Gold Edition manual variant is priced at Rs 21.89 lakh ex-showroom, while the Gold Edition automatic variant is priced at Rs 23.18 lakh ex-showroom. With the launch of the Tata Safari Gold Edition, this has officially become the most feature-loaded Tata car ever. Stay tuned for our detailed reviews of the new Tata Safari Gold Edition. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.